Let me break down the actual roadmap to going from 0 to 5K online in 90 days. Phase 1 is your first 1K. This is all about getting your first product live, your funnel up, and making those first sales. We celebrate that win. Phase 2 is shooting for 2.5K. Now we scale your traffic, refine your emails, and stack consistent sales. Phase 3 is where we're going to hit that 5K. This is where we're going to push momentum, optimize, and lock in that repeatable income. See, it's not about guessing or trying random side hustles. It's a proven roadmap. But here's the kicker. Without accountability and guidance, most people quit before phase 1 is even done. And that's why I built the 90-day to 5K program. You're not just getting the roadmap, you're getting my coaching every week, a community to keep you on track, and milestone check-ins at $1,000, $2,500, and $5,000. We kick off October the 6th, but spots are capped at 50 people only. Hit the link in the description before it fills up.